Hi everybody, this is Matt from This Old Pilot. Got Rodney, got Jim, and we've got the Titan with a new propeller after getting the gearbox reinstalled. So this is an E-props propeller, and Jim is like a penultimate salesman, for these guys, even though he doesn't, get paid. He's like an E-props stalker because he would keep, recommending this to me. So anyway, Rodney, scoot in a little bit closer to Jim so we can see you. There you go. All right. Well, you heard me take off and land. So tell me how this is to your eyes and to your ears than the previous propeller that I had on there.
Well, you go ahead. Matt had a warp drive on here, and you could hear him coming clear from the lake, if not further, and that's quite a ways over that way. And when he took off, you could hear him go clear to the lake, if not further. Now when he takes off, you lose him halfway down the runway, and not only that, he's got a wonderful climb with this E-prop. The warp drive didn't begin to move like this thing does, and it's quieter, so much quieter. And on shutdown, there's no vibration and no clackety-clack of the transmission. It just shuts off.
Tell them the other thing that you noticed on the engine itself.
Oh yeah, one of the other things was that warp drive had a lot of vibration in it, and it was rattling and shaking the engine, and it would. Matt's had some problems with the exhaust system on here, cracking. Well, with this E-prop on here, everything was just as smooth as glass. The muffler's sitting there quiet, noticeably quiet, and the rest of the engine is sitting there very quietly and very happy. It's not bouncing around and vibrating like it used to with the warp drive. The E-prop's been a huge success as far as I can see for Matt.
So Rodney, your observations, because you've got the hearing of a bat.
Oh, I think it just sounds smoother. I mean, it just you can just tell. It's just
so much quieter. Well, I can tell you one thing, it flies different. It is a lot slicker of a prop, so I'm having to adjust my downwind legs and when I would normally turn base and the amount of power that I would carry. So yeah, heck of a prop so far.
and it's a hot day today, so and humid. So,
Oh yeah.
I mean, this is kind of a test, a real test for it.
Oh yeah, the humidity is horrible.
The DA's what, 3,000 today?
Yeah.
And
The
this
humidity
thing climbed like a rocket.
Yeah, I was seeing some climb rates that went above 1,200 feet a minute without even trying. So the instructions that came with the E-prop were just spot on. I'm seeing the engine numbers that I should, so everything's good. So fly safe and have a good one. Take care.